Okay, this is an unboxing. I got I have a car with CCS, and so I ordered this from Lectron. It's a portable level 1 and 2 EV charger, which should be nice for traveling. You can take it with you, and if I find a level 1 or a level 2 outlet I want to use. Okay, it comes in a box, and then inside the box is a carrying case with a handle. Pretty solid, a little bit soft. It's okay, looks like. And let's see, there's probably a zipper here. Let's open it up. And I have a cat in the way. Hello, puss. Okay, it comes with comes with this card, which is a extended warranty card. Comes with a user manual. Looks pretty simplistic. Then it comes tied down. It's got a couple of things here. Let's see what we got in here. So here's the charger unit. Looks like it has a fairly long cable. This looks like a unit that you can hang on the wall if you want to permanently mount it, which I don't intend to do, so I probably won't use that. Here is a charge cable. This has got a 3-prong plug, and it chugs into the unit. This is for level 1 charging, no doubt. And then it comes with another one, which is a NEMA, whatever this is, 4-prong for a 240. And again, it has a plug. It plugs into the unit, so you can swap. It has cables for level 1 and level 2, and you can swap them there. Cable feels pretty good. What's this here? Oh, there's some screws and wall mounts if you wanted to mount the handle on the wall, which, like I said, I don't intend to do. But if you wanted to make this a permanent charger, yeah. So it's got. Let's take this off. It's got bubble wrap on the handle. So here we've got your basic J1772 outlet. Plug feels pretty good. It's got a little cover for it. Okay. Looks good. And then I don't know how long the cable is. It's not a terribly long cable, but then you wouldn't want to be lugging it around anyway. Looks like it's got a light on the front, and it's got on the back here, it's got a thing for with the colors and whatever pattern, error messages and whatnot. And so that's it. That's the unboxing.